Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought I'd go over a couple of different ways to hang a jar or other object from a string. I'm making kind of a sling with it. I'll be using a mason jar, but you could also use this for hanging a flower pot or carrying a heavy water jug. All you need is some string and whatever you're going to be hanging. Let's get right into it. So to start out, now take your cord and tie both ends together. You can do it with a simple overhand knot, like that. I'm actually going to be using a double fisherman's knot. It's more secure and it has a nice low profile so that it doesn't get caught on our knot when we're making it. If you don't know how to make this knot, we'll link to that video in the description. Once you've tied your ends together, we're ready to begin the jug knot. So to start off, you want to lay out your cord like this. Basically just folding your loop of cord in half. The knot's on the other end of it, and I'm just going to fold up so that we have two loops like this. Then we're going to put one over the other. Then this part's a little bit tricky. You want to take this part that lays between the two cords, and we're going to pull that underneath. So reach through your loops, pull that underneath, and at the same time, you want to fold these loops upward. Kind of readjust so that's down in the middle of your cord. So now you have your two loops with your jumble of cord in the middle. And that just goes right around the neck of your jar. And then you pull both ends to tighten. So that's what that looks like from the side. This is pretty secure and pretty easy to tie. It might take a little bit of adjusting to get your two handles the same length. So the second one is called the Bottle Sling, and it starts off much the same way. We use our loop of paracord, and I'm going to lay it out sideways on my workspace. So the knot is on one end. Then I'm going to fold it into a U, and then take that top part and cross it over so that we have this triple figure eight here. I'll take that top one that we folded down, so these cords are over the top, and I'm going to bring this fold underneath one side, like that. Then my right side loop, I'm going to fold it over at this point, and then bring it over the top of this cord and underneath this one. Like that. And we want to make sure that this inside loop over on this right side now is laying over the top. Because then we're going to take our left side loop, fold that, bring it underneath this first cord, and then over the top of that one. So now we have our two ends that we're going to pull, and we begin to see our binding circle in the middle. So put that over the top of our jar and tighten it the same way that we did the first one. And that should look like this when finished. A little bit more secure, a little bit more intricate looking of a knot. So I don't know that one of these knots is necessarily better than the other, but this second one does hold more secure, though it is harder to tie. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, let us know down in the comments. If you want to see more knots like this, let us know that as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.